Nick, where are we?
We are at the robot place
What are we waiting for?
food.
What kind of food?
I don't know. Like some fries.
What's so cool about this place?
Because
Mhm. Mhm.
it goes here and then you can pick it there.
Mhm.
And the waiter is the train. Yeah,
Huh?
the
Oh,
train.
must be
Order
okay.
is like they
How could a waiter be a train?
because it goes there and those buttons up there when you touch it the train come back.
Really?
Yeah, and here's the train. The higher.
Where's the train?
So let's go to
Watch out! Oh, there's two. Is it a race? Oh, there's one more.
Okay. Oh, that was the last one. It's from America, right? When somebody says sushi in America, they only eat candy, right? No, I just ate the chili fries. Not the real one. It's good, it's good, it's good.